All right, I believe this to be the final installment of the Jaeger saga. So, if you guys watched any of the Maytag engine videos, you'll see this cart was something I had a Maytag engine on. And as I pulled the engine out to work on it, I realized that, hey, I need to get a cart for this Jaeger. You saw the one that we had that had the really crummy. So anyway, the wheels are still the original wheels that were on that other cart I had. Here I'm trying to sand off the, I'll maybe stain this with something. But anyway, final saga of the Jaeger. I put it on a cart, and this is what I was trying to do. So the way this handlebar is set up, it's got a slotted pivot at the bottom. So right now it's pretty fixed right there. If you pull it up and down, now you can roll your cart around, bring it up, drop it down. Now it stays there. So the main thing I had to do is that all I needed was this 1/2 or 3/4 inch piece of wood to bring everything up where I didn't end up hitting this piece, didn't end up hitting the wood. Anyway, everything worked out awesome. I ended up putting, this was a piece of hook material. Look underneath here. Got a spring and a wing nut. So that's that kind of holds this thing in place. This is the crank, which, like I showed you guys before, I probably won't use anyway. But at least this kind of keeps it clamped down on here, you know, when it's running. So anyway, that's the final. You guys know there's going to be another one, but this is the final installment of the Jaeger engine. At least for today. So, enjoy, guys. Have a good one. Okay, so I was editing this last one and realized that I had one more thing to show you, and that was the stain I put on the pieces that were on there. Also removed the markings that were back here. So I actually used that sandpaper and then sanded it down. So this will be the final Jaeger video. Unless I do another one, then this won't be the final. But for right now, that's it. I'm gonna roll it in the corner, never run it again. Let the next guy 20 years from now figure out how to get the darn thing going. Maybe he'll see this video and then figure it out, or one of the other 45 videos I did on this engine. I'm just kind of shoveling out. There's a little bit of like a path underneath the snow. I get to the end of the barn here. This is the edge of the barn, and I follow the path. I don't know if you guys can see that in the snow. I think that's the animal right there, but it looks like maybe a rabbit. And it goes down into these bushes here. So I'm guessing they're living in these little, all sorts of tracks here. So I'm not sure. I think there's a lot of rabbits that live in there, but you gonna jump in the rabbit hole? See if you can flush one out for me?
No.
Alright, well, we'll see if we can find anything.
It is deeper down there, Dad.
It is deeper down there.